I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
And we have to be careful. Yeah.
Thank you so much. We're so excited. Thank you.
Thank you, MJ. That's MJ Marfori from TV5. Our next set of questions galing kay Nika Sabio ng ABS-CBN Push. Sabi ni Nika, ako na lang daw magtatanong. Donnie, having a remarkable character from your previous series, how do you differentiate your character as Matt? So, ano kakaiba ni Matt, kay Bingo, at saka sa iba pa?
Wow, very different. Bingo.
May sagot ako pero mamaya na. Sagot ka pa.
Sige. Wala akong good morning towel ngayon. Hindi, pero si Matt, he grew up in La Union, but he went to school in Manila. So it's the mix of both worlds. Siyempre si Bingo, si Binondo siya talaga ever since. I'm a beach boy, you know. And I think I'm very business-minded in a different way from Bingo. Hindi live selling, mas parang corporate. Yung ganun. Tsaka, medyo similar ako kay Matt. Medyo ano siya eh, parang hindi siya gagawa ng bagay kung alam niya may ma-affect ng taong mahal niya. So he's very careful to move around. He wants to make sure that everyone around him is okay, even if sometimes he's not okay. Ganun. So
Saka si Bingo, dati, pa-sleeveless lang. Si Matt ngayon, pa-topless na.
Pati si Matt, namumula yung ilong kapag nagsisinungaling.
Ay, totoo?
Yeah.
yeah, there's that aspect sa show. So that's also good actually. Hindi ko alam na may ganun palang Pinocchio syndrome. May ganun talaga yung totoong buhay. Nagiging allergic yung tao.
Interesting.
Yeah, they talk to doctors about that.
POV mo nga, POV mo, anong pinagkaiba ni Matt kay Bingo?
Well, pareho kasi silang malapit sa family nila. Like si Mama, diba? And now yung mom dito. Yun nga, wala siyang good morning tawag. Pati this time, hindi ko na siya nababangga. Kasi sa Cat Baby, may the best bata siya nabangga doon.
Sasampal mo lang si Matt eh.
Yes, isang
Flowers,
beses lang.
flowers.
Isang beses lang.
Belle, mula pa rin kay Nika, what's the challenging part naman daw of playing Cha series?
Ooh, hey Cha. Minsan, to be honest, medyo napipikon ako kay Cha. Pag nag-shoot, pag nababasa ko yung script. Kasi minsan, nagpapabudol talaga siya. So, minsan yun yung challenging part. Kasi sometimes, she's just blinded. But sometimes kasi, hindi talaga tayo aware na nabubudol na pala tayo, diba? Eh ako naman kasi nakikita ko na yung life ni Cha when I read the script. So, I know what's gonna happen to her. But Cha, in the moment when we're shooting it, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. So, napipikon ako sa kanya pag nagpapabudol siya. So, yun yung challenging part siguro while playing her. Siguro, I wanna talk to Cha, sabihin ko sa kanya na, uy, mas maging careful ka naman. Pero syempre, matututo tayo.
So the challenge is naiinis ka na ba't ganito yung character ko nagpapabudol?
No, I love Cha. Naiinis na ako pag nagpapabudol siya.
Alright, thank you Nika from Push. From Jay of Certified Kapamilya, ang question is for Donnie. From He's Into Her up to ngayon sa How to Spot a Red Flag, masasabi natin na medyo mahaba na rin ang inyong samahan. In the years working together, what is your favorite thing about Belle and the other way around? Okay, so what's your favorite thing about Belle?
Easy to grab nag-flashback lahat ng moment natin. Pagkaan tayo sa kalsada. Dave tsaka Max. Nalala mo yun?
Nag-basketball pa ako.
Ang iba ba yung tsura?
Nag-billiards tayo doon. Dito, nagsisurfing tayo.
Favorite thing about Belle?
Can I start? Can I answer first? Sorry. I thought of something. I think it's just so nice that I'm able to try new things with you. Such as, I learned billiards with you. I learned surfing with you. So, siguro natutuwa ako na my favorite thing about you is you're so game with anything.
Ako naman, you always find a way to kind of reinvent yourself, you know? Hindi kasi madali yung after one project, we do another project, and then you have to think about how do you make this character different. Kasi minsan pag nagiging sobrang komportable kami sa isa't isa, baka same lang yung atake namin sa Isinder, and dapat diba ibang level naman ng Don yung makikita nila. So, Belle is always trying to do things that will portray something else in her character and her craft. And sobrang nakikita ng lahat Ito nga, di ba, if you could see her sa Incognito, tapos makita mo dito sa How to Spot, sobrang iba yung characters nila at kaya-kaya niya gawin yan. So, ayun, that's probably one big one.
Not to mention yung mga may concerts pa si Belle. Yung mga releases pa siya ng mga singles niya. So, nakita ko talaga yung versatility. And also, I just wanna make mention, yung maturity nyo din from, the very first season to her up to now. Grabe na rin. Ilang years na yun?
Siguro,
6?
more, 5.
Really?
Kaya kasi kailan ba tayo nag-go si 2019?
2019. Oo, 6 years.
Actually, yung pandemic.
5, 6 years. Wow. Feels like a lifetime.
And we want to thank all the supporters who are watching right now who's been with us from the very start. Maraming salamat. Grabe rin yung support nila sa amin.
Grabe ha, nagkwentuhan tayo. Yung aeroplano, yung meron silang
Yes.
signage.
Tapos, yeah, and then yung
The
sa
bridge,
and then yung
the
sa boat pa.
LEDs and the billboards. Grabe ha.
Mural pa sila sa Baguio.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Grabe ang effort. Speaking of supporters, trending na kayo ngayon. First 5 trending topics.
Wow!
Sa X platform, kayo ay trending yung Matcha, Grand MediaCon, ang ating mga hashtags, and of course, Donnie Pangilinan as Matt and Bel Mariano as siya. Grabe! Wala akong masabi. Next question is for Bel. May kasabihan na nothing is constant but change. Pero kung ikaw ang pamipili, anong trait ni Donnie ang na-appreciate mo at wish mo na sana ay huwag na magbago?
Isa lang. Parang ang dami naman. Yeah.
Go ahead, we have the whole afternoon.
No, because him, there's, yun nga, para siyang definition ng green flag talaga. Hindi, totoo, kasi he's such a gentleman, family-oriented. So, if there was one thing, siguro, you're gonna achieve so many things. You're gonna soar higher. Siguro, never forget your core and never forget God. That's it.
Balik na natin. Donnie, what's one thing about her that you don't
Ganon
want to
din,
change?
mamaya pa tayo kung ano sinabi ko lahat. I hope she doesn't change that inner child in her. Kasi I love when she's super happy and like super excited about things like she was when she was a child. It's also, ganon din ako eh. May mga parts din ako na ganon. Do not lose your love for your family. Obviously, hindi mawawala yun. Of course, your love for your craft. Siyempre, mahal na mahal niya yung lahat ng pinapasukan niyang trabaho. And yeah, keep the faith, of course. It's very important.
Uy, alam mo, nakakakita lang doon ng mga ganun. Pinagpapakitaan ng inner child is someone that they kind of love the most. Oo. You don't show that to everybody. Diba? Parang, and sometimes the person who notices that is that special person. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin. Huwag kang ma-tense, Donnie. Natatense na si Donnie eh.
Saan nyo nabasa yan?
Hindi ako nakikinig na ikaw ba? You show your inner child to just any random.
I think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our inner child to anyone we're
Diba?
Yes,
People you're close with.
Yes.